Everyone knows what they are, don't they? Everyone. You know, you show anyone a picture of one of them and they know it's a Citroen, don't they?
The Citroen 2CV was made from 1948 through to 1990. It was originally designed to help motorise the large number of French farmers still relying on the horse and cart. It became so successful that 3.8 million were produced, and it looks like the one we've found is très spécial.
It's not bad, is it? A little bit down there, isn't there? Bottom of that post there, bit of trim there hanging off. Look, there you go, I've nearly fixed that for you already. And don't forget, it's not abandoned.
The 2CV is a car like no other. It was a combination of innovative engineering and all-round simplicity, resulting in low ownership costs that boosted its popularity.
There you go, look at that. Simplicity, innit? And that clips up into there, look. There you go, your window's up. Very little to go wrong there, is there? Let's be fair. Personally, as I say, I would do them couple of bits of paintwork. Look at that, they just go round and round when they're locked. I certainly wouldn't start trying to restore it and make it absolutely perfect and all the rest of it. I think, you know, 4,000 or 5,000 quid gets you a tidy, usable one. Purchase price, really, yeah, you want to be sort of, yeah, somewhere 3 or 4 grand, don't you? And no more.
This particular one does have a provisional price of 6 grand, but you never know.
570, the 1989 little Citroen 2CV Dolly. There we are.
Formidable.
What?
Formidable, it's French for pretty good.
Oh, right. 41, 42.
You're not serious? Yeah, of course we're serious. Look at it, John. It's a continental classic.
4,445 at £4,500. 4,500, 46 at £4,600.
We're doing all right.
At 4,006, provisional.
Very provisional. Look at this. 6 grand. You're not going to get 6 grand for it.
Third and last time, more.
Come on, get that hammer down.
£1,600. Provisional 46.
The seller generously accepts our bid of £4,600, which we're more than happy with. Even fast Ford fanatic Dave is a big fan.
I think they're brilliant. I just think they're so user-friendly, and I love the simplicity. I like all the wallowiness where you don't know whether you're coming or going, and I mean, the easiest sunroof in the world. So all you got to do is that. Yeah, that's hard, isn't it? I don't think you've got a bad buy here. I think it's a very usable little car. Yeah, and I can already tell it's 2 or 3 steps up the ladder better than the one that I bought for nearly the same amount of money. So you've done a better job than I did.
The 2CV mirrors the Volkswagen Beetle. Both were built to make motorcars affordable to regular people. So we thought, who better to have a look at it than Kel Muirs and his team at the Classic Car Workshop in Croft, North Yorkshire, who all love working on V-dubs.
Oh, not a Beetle, please, not a Beetle.
Well, most.
What would you like to work on?
A Mini. A Mini or an Escort would be lovely.
Something without so much rot underneath would be nice.
Anything VW.
Come on, open the counter.
Oh, yeah, get it open. Let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
How are you? Killing us. It's a Dolly!
Citroen Dolly.
2CV.
This is not an abandoned vehicle.
Or a hairdryer.
Get in.
Kel, have you ever driven one before?
Yeah, a couple of weeks ago, we had one in for engine work.
Perfect. For once, this all seems to be going to plan.
Ah, the gearbox broken.
Spoke too soon.
Are they easy to drive then, George?
No, the gearbox is a nightmare on them.
That's forward.
We seem to be getting nearer the front of the trailer.
That sounded
Oh. Hey! Oh, hey!
Now you've got it moving, run me through the gear levers.
It's just guess.
What gear are we in there?
Not a clue.
I'll tell you something, there's more rust around it than you think. I think we need to take the windscreen out.
No, we're not touching any windscreen.
How much are windscreens for 2CV?
It's just flat glass. You can get them out of greenhouses.
So you know these cars then, George?
Well, I've had one to bits once before.
Did you get it back together again, or is it still in bits?
No, I got it going and it was fine. There's a few bits fell off. They're just the heater ductors, heated duct pipes.
Was that aerial snapped off then?
Yeah.
No, I thought it was standard with the gaffer tape round it. They've even used the proper colour gaffer tape.
Colour matched.
Colour matched, yeah.
So the gear selector then, George.
This is the gears.
It's all right sitting there doing that, because when you put it into reality, you get sat in that side of it and try and have a go. It's a different story.
Oh, we've got a bit of an oil leak down there. Oh, I've got to hope it's not them push rods.
Oil leak found. Uh-oh.
Looks like maybe just the oil filter's maybe not tight.
It's got an oil leak.
Well, it's got a bit of a leak. We don't know until we lift it up in the air, and we'll have a look underneath to see what the problem is.
George, give me the good news.
No, I can't, man. It's horrendous.
What is it?
Well, it looks like the oil leaks are all coming from the pushrod tubes, which are up the side of the engine up there.
So if there's one place you didn't want the oil to come from, where would it be?
The pushrod tubes, because they're a nightmare to change.
Not the news we wanted. Croft, North Yorkshire, and George Skingley, director of oily stuff, has dismantled our 2CV's engine.
I've been wondering what that noise is all morning. Now I know what it is now. It's my brother-in-law, Colin, cutting his grass.
Right, anyway, the engine had an oil leak, which is why it's in bits. But George reckons it's not as bad as we thought.
We found that somebody's been in the engine before us, and they've forgotten to put the valve stem seals on when they've rebuilt the engine.
Which is why we have an oil leak. For such a simple car, it's been quite a complicated job.
It's got a lot of little fiddly bits on. That's the problem with it.
And those two seals are...
Well, they're just, you know, look what we've done. We've taken half the car to pieces just to get to them.
How much are those?
Oh, there'll be pennies, won't there?
So you've spent 3 hours pulling the car to bits to get to 2 bits that are worth a few pence.
Yeah.
The joy of classic cars. Now, time to put it all back together. While Kel has spotted a serious breach of health and safety.
No. You don't want to be accelerating too fast and that coming in and you're in the do you? No, I think there will be some sort of bracket that holds it all in.
So seeing as there isn't...
Out it comes.
Along with the rest of the non-original sound system.
Oh, no. Oh, switch, cut.
George?
What?
Has something not gone according to plan?
Forgot to put this bit on. It's gonna have to come off again.
Do you know there's no more room for any more money in the tin?
The swear tin.
The swear tin. Yeah, the swear tin.
Is it full?
It's, you know, I give him his wages and by the end of the week he has to give me them back.
Probably best to leave it there for now. Think De Chauveau, and you don't immediately think hot laps on the track. But in Cheshire, that's exactly what race team the Blueberry Tarts and Maria Cook are here for. A 2CV only race series.
Apart from the fact that it's possibly the friendliest championship out there, they're great cars, they're really quirky. You can do pretty much anything you want yourself on the car. You know, they're not difficult to maintain or set up. They're just really good fun.
Maria isn't racing today, but is helping in any way she can to support the team.
So yeah, it looks like they've all had a good qualifying. Nobody's stacked it. All good.
And it's not just the racing bringing the crowds in.
I feel like I very much could be in France, you know, with the lovely music in the background. The ratatouille on the menu. It's wonderful.
Not forgetting the star of the show.
With this car, I can be parked at traffic lights alongside a £90,000 Mercedes with a roof down. And people crossing the road won't see the Mercedes. They'll only see this.
Kids wave to you as you're going down the road. So it's lots of fun.
Over in the paddock, a few tweaks before the next race.
The steering arm's got a bit loose, so I'm just making sure it's nice and tight.
Yeah, you'll get a hand from anyone in the paddock. There's no kind of politics or I'm not helping that team or anything like that.
Highly technical. Right, I think that'll do.
If you have a mechanical breakdown, people will run with spanners, and if you have a mental breakdown, they will run with gin. So someone's always got your back.
It's the massive adrenaline rush. Even though it is a 2CV, it does feel quick on track. It's really close racing.
With a top speed of 70 miles an hour, your driving skills are paramount.
Everybody's pretty much of a muchness, performance-wise, so you can't checkbook race in a 2CV. You can't just throw a load of money at it.
I don't know where I finished, actually, but it was a great fun race anyway. Lots of sliding, lots of overtaking. That's what you want.
It's about a whole bunch of really nice people who love their 2CVs and just want to have a good time and a good race.
How flexible is glass?
Back in Croft, we're racing to make the next auction. The oil leak is a distant memory. We're now on to windscreen removal, with Kel using the power of yoga.
Just a little bit of pressure.
Rust has been found around the windscreen and in patches elsewhere. It needs to be dealt with before it gets any worse.
Oh, hang on.
I don't know if we've got windscreen cover on our insurance.
I hope so, because this is about to pop.
I think it's... Oh dear.
And that's how you do it.
Well done.
The can of worms has been opened.
Yep, can of worms is open now.
Is it too late to put the lid back on?
Well, no, that's quite bad.
I think it's a job for the welding wizard.
We wouldn't normally recommend using sorcery when fixing cars, but we're very open-minded if it helps magically keep us within budget. In Croft, North Yorkshire, work on our 2CV has really picked up a pace. The welding wizard has worked his magic. The rusty holes are patched and then re-sprayed. The wheels and bumpers have been shot blasted, primed and painted, and it's now ready to be put back together again.
MOT tomorrow. So, yeah, it's got to be done and finished, sorted.
First up, the front air vent.
It was cheaper to buy one than it is to actually repair the old one. Everything's available, and it's all cheap. And this is what I'm liking about it. Everything you want is just there.
The whole is greater than the sum of its parts.
Here we are,
said Aristotle. Let's hope this rings true on auction day.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What's that sound?
Shh.
Worrying, that's what that sounded.
It's in.
There we go.
Tight. Rock solid. And there we go.
Sacre bleu.
It's a thing of beauty now. You know what? It's been all right, this. I mean, all right, we didn't do a great deal. Windscreen and the engine and stuff, and a good clean. Hopefully, fingers crossed, you're going to make a killing on that.
Let's hope so. Here's what we've spent. The original purchase price, including tax and commission, was £5,014. Parts and materials were £335. Labour cost us £2,165. Bringing our total spend to £7,514. Our 2CV is back and has passed its MOT with flying colours. Big fan Dave couldn't resist taking it out for a drive in the country, doing what it does best.
Oh, what's happening? Oh, Dave.
The original design brief was that it should be able to drive over a bumpy field while carrying a basket of eggs without breaking any.
There you are, it's back in its natural environment.
Let's see how that goes.
Oh my God. Oh, how's the eggs doing? Oh, they're doing okay. Yeah, they're there. Yeah, they're there. Yeah. So this is obviously what the French designed the car to do.
And we are actually doing it.
Yeah.
So we have the car fixed, Dave.
Yeah,
we'll just send it
back. We'll go. Well, yes, we'll drop it off back there now.
Thankfully, we didn't have to do that.
Someone will have some fun with it, won't they? Horn works.
After a good checking over, it's in fine fettle and ready for auction, including a tray of free range.
There you go, you see round the stubble field, and they've all come back in one piece. 6.5, I reckon.
For a bit of fun.
For a bit of fun.
Hopefully, we'll get a little more than that, but here goes.
Now look, this little sweetie here. Right, the 2CV Dolly. Where we're going to be, £5,000 jack please, at £5,000 bid, at 5,000, 5,001, 5,2, 5,5, £5,500 bid, 5,5, 6,000, 6,1, £6,200 bid, and 6,3 we've got in Surrey at 6,3.
10% away from profits.
At 6,006 are we all done? At 6,006, Marky's Inlet at 6,007, straight in there, 6,007, 6,8, 6,008 on the
Okay, thank you, bye.
At £6,800 bid. Third and last time, fair warning, it's going to go at £6,800. There you go.
Have that. John, we didn't lose a load of money.
Excluding commission and VAT, we're only 700 quid down.
A 700 quid loss, in your case, is as good as a £700 profit. There's nothing to choose between it. Fantastic.
Not sure our accountants would agree, but keeping a stone-cold classic on the road is worth every penny. And new owner, Steve Dinos, is delighted.
Wow.
Steve, have you had a Citroen 2CV before?
Yes, it was my first car. I got one when I first passed my driving test at 17, and prior to that, my mum had one. But when she used to drop me off at school in it, I used to ask her to park around the corner because I was so embarrassed. But
so hang on, let me just get this right. You've bought another one?
Yes.
So is the embarrassment gone now?
Yes. Yeah, think so.
What have you brought him in?
Tesla.
A Tesla?
Yes.
So this is literally wind in your hair motoring?
Yes. I don't know how we attach it, though.
Will you be going back with Steve in the 2CV?
I'm going back in the Tesla.
Just as I remember. Just the gears.
Is it all coming back or not?
Right, where's reverse? No. Just reverse, really. Yes. Hold on, I think I might have found first. Let's have a look.
Right, he's gone now. That's it. He's got. Oh, he's gone.